When it comes to installing snap fasteners as quickly as possible while still achieving professional-looking results, the SnapRite system can achieve it all effortlessly. The Sailrite SnapRite system is a uniquely designed snap fastener system created by Sailrite owner Matt Grant. This tool makes installing snaps easier, faster, and more precise than ever before. This innovative kit includes a set of 4 dies, a professional rivet gun, 100 SnapRite mandrels, and a foam-lined carrying case to make it all portable and storable. The kit features all the tools you'll need to start installing line 24 button, socket, stud, and eyelet snap fastener components, as well as pull-the-dot components and gypsy studs without requiring any special dies. The color-coded dies work in pairs to install snap components. These dies can be sold separately and work with any standard rivet gun, but the SnapRite System Complete Kit comes with a professional rivet gun. Dies screw into the rivet gun's nosepiece and must be used with the included SnapRite mandrels. The key to this system is the use of a SnapRite mandrel with accompanying snap buttons, especially designed with a hole in the middle to accommodate the mandrel. The mandrels can be reused but are designed to be expendable, so if they bend or break when using, simply grab another one and keep working. The SnapRite button die and snap components are installed on the rivet gun's nosepiece. The mating snap component is placed on the SnapRite socket die and a mandrel put through the center hole of the die. The rivet tool grabs onto the mandrel that has been inserted through the fabric, pulling the 2 SnapRite dies together and flaring the barrel of the button to create a tightly installed snap fastener. To use, first we will unscrew the bolt on the rivet gun's nosepiece with the included wrench. Then we'll position the fasteners matching up the coordinating colors. After placing the fastener on the mandrel, we will punch it through the fabric assembly and place the mandrel in the rivet gun. Then pull the handles together a few times to set the fastener in place. Generally, 2 good squeezes of the rivet gun will create a secure snap. One major benefit of the SnapRite is that it doubles as a positioning tool to make sure you get professional and even spacing from snap to snap. For example, on a boat cover for a professional looking and tight-fitting cover. The SnapRite also has no throat, meaning you can place snaps anywhere on the fabric with no restrictions. This is a one-step snap fastener system that is conveniently portable and perfectly positioned snaps on any location. This unique system can only be found at Sailrite. And on our website, you'll also be able to find a variety of accessories to expand this tool's capabilities. And to make it easy to get yours, we've linked it down in the description, along with a few other videos using our SnapRite system. And make sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay up to date on all of Sailrite's exclusive products.